This video is for trunk latch repair on an MK6 Jetta like this 2013. That's 2011 to 2017. I'm not going to go over every way to repair it, but I am going to get a little bit into diagnosing what the problem might be. So this is your trunk actuator, and that's connected to the handle here, and it's an integral unit that goes all behind this panel here. This is the emergency release if a person is ever locked in the trunk. It should make this sound when you push it. It's an electric mechanism, so it's not a manual one, it's actually power. And you need to make sure on this button that you're hearing the same thing. So you can open it from there, or you can open it from here, and you need to diagnose which end might be the problem. In colder climates, it's common that this whole mechanism can freeze and then it will break. To replace this, you have to remove this panel. If you suspect that your actuator is broken, it's about a $30 part on Amazon. In fact, I'm gonna put an affiliate link to purchase that in the description of this video. On the older Jettas like the MK4 and I think the MK5 too, you can actually put your key right in there and turn it to the left to manually open the trunk. And I think on the MK6, they have lost that ability. You also want to check here and make sure that this rod that the latch attaches onto isn't bent. And of course, you can't do that unless the trunk is already open. A properly closing MK6 trunk should close like this.